Today I'm going to show you how to make AI generate videos from Pictory. So let's get started. For this, what you have to do is open your Chrome browser and then search for the pictory.ai. Here you have to scroll down and go to this option. Now you have to click on the get started for free button. Once you click on this button, now at this interface, you have to sign up to your account or you can continue with Google. Here I'm pressing continue with Google option. Then here I'm going to select my email address from which I want to log into this account. Here it's offering these 4 templates you can use to create your video. Keep the video short and simple. I already made the project where I used script to video template. Here I'm going to show you a preview of video I have written. Now as you can see, it made me a beautiful story using my script. Even you can change elements of your story just like Canva. It's pretty simple and easy. Its interface is just like Canva. If you are familiar with Canva, then it will be easy for you to work within it. You can also download your video in any format you want. You can download it in form of spreadsheet or social video post or in video form. So that's how you can generate AI videos using Pictory.